Is every long-term care policy the same? No. A long-term insurance policy is a legally binding contract between the insurance company and the policyholder. That means that you can negotiate within reason the terms of the policy. In fact, many long-term care insurance companies have multiple versions of a policy. So it's important that you and your family understand what the insurance is responsible for, your obligations to qualify for benefits, and what proof you have to submit to get your claim paid or reimbursed. So what are some of the important terms in a long-term care policy? Who's the policy owner? What benefits are being provided? What activities of daily living are covered? How many ADLs have to be impaired before there's coverage? What are acceptable facilities? Who or what is an acceptable care provider? Are there limits on the nature of the services that are covered? When do you have to file a claim? Does the policy require you to pay and then be reimbursed? Are there limits on when you have to submit proof to be repaid? What do you have to submit to get reimbursed or get the bill paid? How do you file a claim? How do you appeal a denial or a termination of benefits? How long do you have to wait before that coverage kicks in? Are there limits on the amount of payment for each type of service? Are there coverage limits that cap the amount of benefits that can be paid? Can there be successive periods of benefits without an elimination period? Is there a COLA, a cost of living adjustment, that increases the amount of the payment for various services? What kind of doctor needs to certify the care? Can you stop paying premiums? What happens if there's a lapse of payment? You should get a copy of your policy and understand what the policy requires before you complete an application for benefits. Deal with disputes with a long-term care provider about the claim, the provision of care, the payment of benefits, or a wrongful denial of or termination of benefits. My job as a nationwide long-term care attorney is to provide you and your family with peace of mind and ensure that you or your loved one gets the care they deserve and paid for with their hard-earned money. If you have any questions about your rights to benefits or a family member's rights to benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We look forward to helping you get the benefits you deserve and answer those questions that you have that may be keeping you or your family members up at night.